Becky Gartner, Extension Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences in Culpeper County, and welcome to our series of From Our Home to Yours. Extension agents and specialists from around the state are getting together and making videos for you to make healthy dishes at your house. And today we're making smothered greens.
The ingredients for this dish are 3 cups of water, 3 to 4 strips of turkey bacon or 4 ounces of smoked turkey breast, 1 tablespoon fresh hot pepper, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, 2 cloves of garlic or half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground thyme, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 cup chopped onion, and 2 pounds of greens. This could be kale, mustard, turnip, or collard greens, or a mixture. Start by making sure your hands are clean by washing them for 20 seconds and that all your work surfaces are clean too. Brown your bacon in a skillet until it's crispy, drain it on a paper towel, and then crumble it. We'll use it in a bit.
I'm getting ready to put things into my large cooking pot because I'm going to cook kale today, and you need a large pot. The greens will cook down, but you need to start with a large pot so you have plenty of room. And I'm also, to add a little spice to my recipe, I'm going to add part of a jalapeno pepper, but I don't want it too spicy, so I'm going to take some of the seeds out, which, if you do that, that removes a lot of the heat. And I'm going to chop this up. I need a tablespoon of chopped hot peppers, and you can use any kind of peppers you like, whatever you prefer. So now I'm going to add ingredients to my pot, and here's my 1 tablespoon of chopped jalapeno peppers, and I made sure to wash my hands afterwards after handling the pepper so I don't rub my eyes and get stuff in my eyes. This is our turkey bacon. It was 4 slices and I crumbled it up. These are all of our spices that are listed in the ingredients. I'm going to put them all in at one time. And then I have 2 cloves of garlic and 1/4 cup of chopped onion. Next, we add 3 cups of water. And we're going to take this to the stove and bring it to a boil. Our recipe today is for smothered greens, and you can use any type of greens. You can use turnip greens, mustard greens, kale, or collards. And I'm using kale today. And I purchased pre-washed, pre-packaged, pre-cut kale. And since it's already been triple washed, the bag says that, I don't have to wash it again. So if you do buy it, just on the stem, make sure you wash it very well, pull it apart, and rinse all the dirt off, and then pull it off the big stem and tear it into pieces.
Add the greens to the boiling stock and cook until tender, which is about 20 or 30 minutes. The dark greens we're using here today are high in vitamin A, potassium, and fiber. They are also a low-calorie way to add vegetables to your meals. Here's our final dish. This recipe makes 7 1-cup servings. So add smothered greens to any of your meals. It'll be a delicious addition. This recipe is used with the Balanced Living with Diabetes program conducted by Virginia Cooperative Extension. The recipe was taken from the Heart Healthy Cooking African American Style Cookbook. Thank you for joining me for this edition of From Our Home to Yours, where family and consumer science extension agents share their favorite home recipes with you. Check out more videos on our YouTube channel or contact your local extension office for more information.